Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for sale in Meyersdal Nature Estate, Alberton, South Africa for R8,999,000. Meyersdal Nature Estates pride and joy. Clean lines, crisp finishes and classical elegance. A home to top all homes. A double-story delight with expansive open-plan living areas downstairs, and the bedrooms upstairs. There is an open-plan kitchen area with gloss cupboards and a center work island overlooking the family room and dining area, separated by a gas fireplace. There are 4 large-sized bedrooms, all fitted with stunning laminate flooring and all boasting their own ensuite bathrooms. Glass and aluminium stack doors open to a covered patio area for entertaining. A separate man cave bar room leading just off the pool area is the ideal setting for those Saturday soccer or rugby matches, with a built-in bar and guest toilet. This home is a paradise setting, with additional features like a triple garage, a full servants' quarters, a fire pit and immaculate garden with irrigation. The interior is immaculate with wallpaper features, glass balustrading up the stairs, lighting which complements the design and still a home with that homely feel. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.